Alright, so I just picked up these King Ranch seats that are going to my project. They're both in pretty good shape. I got a pretty good deal on them. The passenger one here just has a little bit of a stain on that side, and the driver's one has this little rip in it. It should be able to be easily repaired by an upholstery shop. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning them. So I got this Chemical Guys leather cleaner, and I also got Chemical Guys leather conditioner. And we're going to see if this is going to clean them or ruin them. We'll see what happens. There's special stuff you can buy for the King Ranch leather, but I didn't feel like waiting for it to come in the mail. So I just bought this at Canadian Tire, and we'll see what kind of damage I can do. Alright, so we're just going to try this area here first. It says to spray it on the towel and then wipe it on there. There we go. Alright, let's see what happens. I don't think it's... Well, maybe it's doing something. It says gently work the leather cleaner into the surface to remove dirt, stains, and decoloration. Okay, maybe I'm supposed to use more. Let's just put a bunch of it on there. Alright. There we go. As you can see, it's starting to get some of its color back. Starting to get that dark King Ranch look compared to that. So now I'm just gonna start a time lapse and I'll do this whole seat and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I think it's looking better than it did before. Definitely looking cleaner, but still didn't get those stains out, so I'm going to go over it a few more times, and then I'll come back when I'm ready to apply the conditioner to it. Alright, so the seats have been, or this seat's been conditioned now, and it's just drying. So once it's dry, I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Right now it's all like blotchy in that because there's more conditioner in one spot than other spots. Once it's dry, then it should be good. Alright, so I let it dry out for about an hour, and as you can see, that stain is almost gone now, which is good. The leather is also a lot softer. Like it feels more like a leather and not so dry. Alright, so it's been a couple of days since I last made a video of this, and so I let it dry and I come back and this is still here. It was a little worse than this when I first came down here, but I've been using the cleaner and just working this into it, and it seems to be slowly going away. So I'm going to continue doing that and see if I can get it to go away completely. There's my genius plan. I'm going to use this toothbrush with the cleaner, and I'm going to try and scrub it around with this and see if I can try and get that discoloration out of it. It's either going to completely destroy it or it's going to work. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so I've done it a few more times now and let it dry, and it's definitely getting better, but still not good. I might have to buy a new lower seat cushion. I'm going to continue with the toothbrush method and see if I can get it to clean up. On camera it looks a lot worse than it does in person. I don't know why, but yeah, the whole seat looks darker in person. I'm not sure why it's so light. Alright, so it's been a little while now. The seat's fully dried. And as you can see, that spot is almost completely gone. I'm sure if I did the toothbrush method again, it would be completely gone, which is what I'm going to do. But there you go, that's my experience with using the Chemical Guys leather cleaner on the King Ranch seats. On the camera they look weird, I'm not sure why, but in person they look really good now. So if you're wondering what that leather cleaner is going to do to your seats, it'll be completely fine, and I recommend you do it. So there you are.